Good morning from Amsterdam. I'm Cameron, and today I'm going to give you a little peek into what my day-to-day life is. Let's go to the gym. Can't open the window, smells like eggs in here still. Ooh. Shave and shower time. A fly a bit. I got him. Fuck yeah, I got him. Welcome to CamSterdam. Cameron's Amsterdam apartment. I'm currently eating peanut butter off a spoon. I know it's weird, but peanut butter's delicious, so fuck it. I'll give you a little tour of my apartment. This is the entranceway. Space for your jackets, shoes, dresser, and whatnot for clothing. This little thing, what's up, has kind of become my little mini bathroom. So I share a kitchen and a bathroom. So there's a bathroom, a toilet and shower, and then just a shower on the hallway. And I share that with I think like 7 or 8 other people that all have rooms here in this hall. I haven't seen that many people, and it's usually pretty quiet, so it's not that bad. Plus, I don't think anybody really uses the bathroom at the end, which is right next door to me, so that one's kind of mine, which is awesome. The doors here are really big, like really big. I don't know if you can really tell, but like pretty wide. The reason for that is apparently this used to be an old age, like seniors home, and so there's like space for like wheelchairs, there's like handrails in the hallway and whatnot. The place is just very wide in general, which is great because it's spacious, obviously. I found this apartment through a friend of a friend. I met a Dutch girl named Yin in Thailand, and then through her I met her friend Kiro, who the two of them worked together. And Kiro is going to Asia for 3 months to travel, and I'm taking his apartment for 3 months. So all this stuff and furniture is all his. This is the lovely bedroom. I'm currently cleaning the sheets. They're in the wash. Fridge, spices, and my wonderful pantry with all my snacks. Tons of oatmeal, some Kraft dinner for, I'll save that for a special occasion. I found this cool thing. I was at the Van Gogh Museum, and it's a bouncy ball. It's really cool. I like it because it's one, just fun. It was kind of, it was €8. And I was like, oh, should I buy it? And I just ended up doing it. And if you look on it, there's like 2 ships, and they kind of like sit there on the water, and then you can bounce it. So yeah, pretty sick. Not trying to flex, but it's pretty cool. This is the kitchen. Do all the cooking. These burners I found in the hallway, and then Kiro has a toaster oven, and then he also has a bunch of other cooking appliances like a air fryer, blender, and like a George Foreman grill, which is perfect and kind of everything you need to cook. The kitchen in the building here in our hallway is completely barren. Like there's no equipment and it's just empty cabinets. So everyone just kind of cooks in their rooms, and same thing here. He has an awesome, really big couch, sweet TV, PS4, which I can play with sometimes, and then a desk for working with my laptop that I brought. So yeah, it's pretty ideal. To get to downtown Amsterdam, it's about like 20 minutes by like streetcar, which is super easy. The streetcars here come every like 10 minutes, so they're super convenient and easy to take. And I don't find them too expensive, but they definitely add up if you take them a lot. You can also bike everywhere. Probably takes about 30 minutes to get downtown by bike. Biking is great. Just the problem is that like you like sweat when you bike, so if you go really far, by the time you get there, you're all hot and bothered and whatnot. So it's not ideal. I'm getting pretty hungry here, so I'm gonna make some lunch. And today on the menu are burgers, baby. So let's go. While my burgers are cooking, I might as well update everyone on kind of what I'm doing here. So I have an apartment in Amsterdam for 3 months currently. Today is day 12 of being in the country. I spent 5 days downtown in a hostel just to kind of get started, and then I moved in here on June 1st. Today is June 7th, Wednesday, June 7th. So I have this place until the end of August. That is when Kiro comes back. And my goal between now and then is to find a software job in the country, or even maybe around Europe, kind of see what happens. A lot of people have been asking me why Amsterdam, and to be quite honest, I don't really have like a 100% answer about it. I just kind of always wanted to come here for a really long time, and that's kind of it. In high school, I did a short trip around Europe for 2 weeks, short, and we came to Amsterdam for 3 days, and I loved it. And then when I was in university, I got an internship job here. However, I was never able to come and do the job for a couple months. Actually, they wanted me for like 7 months, but I wasn't able to come because of COVID, which was a bummer. I then backpacked Asia last summer, and I planned to come stay here, but then right as it was kind of starting to get close to coming, my accommodations fell through, which was unfortunate. And then I went back to Canada, I worked a couple different jobs, saved up some money, and then I had the opportunity to come and take this apartment. So as soon as I got this opportunity, I just took it and ran with it, and well, now I'm kind of here. So where I go from here, I'm not totally sure yet. We'll see what happens. I think it depends on the opportunities that come to me while I'm here and making the most of them, to be quite honest. The problem with these windows, the windows in this apartment, is that there are no screens, so flies come in and stuff, which is really annoying. Even mosquitoes, and I wake up with mosquito bites. So I got a cut on my head, so shaving where a mosquito bite was, and then got a little cut myself, which is really annoying. Yum. I also have some cucumber and hummus to go along with my burger here. Basically, there's 2 options for what's going to happen by the end of these 3 months. Either option 1 is I spend 3 months living in Amsterdam, traveling around Europe a bit, and enjoying myself, and then flying back to Canada, which is a pretty good worst case. Best case is that by the end of August, I have found myself a full-time software job. I'm a software engineer, and I also find myself an apartment. The software job and apartment, ideally I'd want it to be in Amsterdam, but if I find a job in Italy, and I find an apartment there, and then I'm going to Italy. So we'll see. But yeah, so everything's kind of open-ended. So we're kind of just seeing what happens for the next few months. Coming up, I have planned a trip to Brussels in Belgium for 3 days. And on top of that, I'm just sending out job application after job application. So we'll see what happens. But I'm not too worried. I have faith that that an opportunity will come to me. So we'll see. And in the meantime, I'm working out, working on my own kind of projects, relaxing, and then also reconnecting with friends that I met while traveling, and just trying to make new friends here as well. All in all, the next 3 months are going to be quite unique, and we'll see what happens. On that note, I forgot to film any sort of real outro to the video, so here I am, much later in the day, where I spent majority of the afternoon and evening editing this video. To summarize, that I am happy and healthy here in Amsterdam. My apartment is really good. I have opportunities in the future, and most importantly, I am well fed. So it's a double thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you go watch some of my other videos. Feel free, please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, comments, or just want to maybe express some love, throw it down in the comments below, and I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Cheers.